up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a stitch. So first we're going to get started in the middle of our page for our nose, and we're going to curve this line up and then back down on the right. On the left hand side now we're going to curve this line down and then back up and over on the side. For the nostril now we're going to curve this line over and out on both sides. Moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then again, as we move up, we're going to replicate that, just making that slightly smaller. Now let's move across and draw in the shape of our face. So coming up on a diagonal on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We're going to line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that, curving that line around and then back in towards the bottom. We're going to leave a gap now on the left-hand side, bringing this line down and then curving this line in towards the center on a diagonal. And then we're going to replicate that, leaving a small gap, bringing this line down, and then curving this in on a diagonal, bringing that in towards the middle. Let's close off the top of the head now on the left-hand side, arching this line over and in towards the middle. For the hair on the top, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Again, from that point, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then again, from that corner, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line back in towards the top. Now let's draw in the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to do the same thing over on the left, ending that at the same height. On the bottom, let's close this off from the corner, curving this line down and then back over towards the side. On the top now on the inside, we're going to arch this line around and then down, and we'll do this on both sides. Now coming across towards the middle, in the corner here, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then we'll move over to the left-hand side, lining it up at the same height, and we'll just replicate that. And now from this corner on the inside, we're going to curve this line down and then over, bringing it back up on the side. Now moving up towards the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And now let's draw in the mouth. So coming down below both eyes, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches in. Closing off the top of the mouth from the corner, we're going to curve this line over and then in towards the center. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal, bringing that over towards the right. On the left-hand side now, let's curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then again on the right-hand side from that corner, we're going to curve this line back in, connecting that together on the bottom. On the right-hand side now, we're going to draw in a nice big triangle for the right tooth. And then we'll leave a gap moving over on the left and replicating that, drawing that at the same size. Moving in towards the middle, on both sides, we're going to draw in smaller triangles, leaving a gap in the middle. Moving over to the outside, we're going to replicate that, drawing in our other tooth, bringing that over and then back up. And then moving behind that, we're going to replicate that again one more time, just making that smaller. Now let's move over directly down. We're going to draw in another triangle, bringing that up and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the left, making that bigger. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small triangle, and then we'll leave a gap coming over on the right, replicating that. Again, as we move out now, we're going to draw in two small triangles, getting smaller as we come out towards the side. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line in, and then we're going to arch this line down and in towards the middle. To the right of that, we're going to curve this line over and then back down on the right. And then in the center, we're just going to curve this line over and then back down from the middle. Now let's draw in the ears. So coming over on the right-hand side, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then over towards the side. We're going to replicate this on the left-hand side. So lining this up at the same height, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back over towards the side. Now from here on the top, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then as we come over on the top, we're going to replicate that, making that line shorter. Now from here, we're going to curve this line in and then back out. And then we'll do the same thing on the top. We're going to close off the bottom now, arching this line around and then in underneath. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, extending this further, curving that back in towards the side. Closing off the rest of the ear on the inside, we're going to arch this line out on both sides. And then closing off the rest of the ear on the top, we're going to arch this line down. And then we'll replicate this over on the left-hand side as well. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.